Hello, good morning. It's Dr. Trudy Ufondu of Snowspirations Global Health Solutions. Thank you so much. This is a very quick video of what to expect in the upcoming Ovulation Bootcamp. So on Sunday, we are going to have a dedicated masterclass for ovulation. So ovulation is simply the process of releasing the eggs that God already gave you as a woman when you were, when God decided you're going to be a girl, you all have the eggs you have to use in starting your family. Now, for some reasons, for some women, they normally have problems releasing the egg. So the process of releasing the egg is simply what ovulation is all about. So coming on Sunday, come expecting. There are so many beautiful things you will learn about this beautiful, structure that God gave all women. This is a reminder you're going to be a mother. So every woman that has a womb, every woman that has an ovary, what you need to be a mother is actually one part of your ovary. You have two ovaries. So if one ovary is still functional and you have eggs, you can be a mother. So we're going to talk about every single thing about ovulation. What's ovulation? How can you pinpoint it? What do you need to know? What are the fallacies? What are the falsehoods? What are the realities? Our aim is to help everybody to know better so they can have better. That's why it's called a boot camp. In a boot camp, we go above and beyond to get results. So expect the best on Sunday. My colleague, Dr. Ndiche, is going to take care of our own part, and I'm also going to come with my own expert. We are researching, we are looking for the best trending, world, globally acclaimed practices. That's what we preach in our group. So our aim is to keep on praying to God, keep on playing 48 hourly, then keep on practicing. So the part of our mantra we are trying to achieve on Sunday is the practice part. We're going to share our knowledge. We're going to help you to understand it better. So if you haven't registered, please make sure you register today. Admin is going to put you through. What you need to do is to click on the link. Once you register, please follow through. Send an email. We are going to acknowledge your registration. Then we'll send you to a designated group where the bootcamp will happen. Now, make provisions for your partner. It's always good to come with your partner for our master classes because when men know better, they are better. So make provisions for Sunday. We chose 9 p.m. because we want everybody to participate. So I hope to see you on Sunday. Until I see you, thank you and bye-bye for now.